Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ITyug 24/7. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to operate split screen in Windows 11. If you don't know about it either, just watch the whole video. Let's get started. So in previous Windows 10, there was also an option called split screen and snapping tools. But in Windows 11, what you're gonna do is go to settings. In settings, go to system. Just scroll down a bit. You'll see an option multitasking. Just tap on it. So in this, you can find out snap windows. Just remember one thing, if this function is on, then you can snap a window automatically, size to fill, available space. You can just maintain different slides in your one particular window. So we'll just turn it on, and yes, here it is. So here you can operate different tabs in one particular window, and you can do multitasking. But wait, one multitasking you can do right now. Just like the video, comment on your queries, and subscribe our channel for such more amazing and informative content. I'll see you in the next one.